How to start using GhibliArt.Ai. Let's dive right into how to start using Ghibli.ai. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to create stunning artwork inspired by the unique style of Studio Ghibli. First, you will want to access to the Ghibli Art platform. Just open your browser and tap on the search bar and search for GhibliArt.Ai. Tap on it. So this is how GhibliArt.Ai look like. Simply tap on it. And once you're inside the site, you will see this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this try for free over here, tap on it, and then you will take on to the window where you will see an option for upload image, prompt, and create a Ghibli image. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this upload over here, tap on it, and upload one of your photo over here. So let's do this one. Then add a prompt on how you want the picture to be like. If you have no idea on what to do with it, you can use the examples under it, like transfer it into the Ghibli style, make it look like a spirited away, convert it into the Totoro style art, or house moving castle aesthetic. Let's tap on the first option, that is transform to Ghibli style. Let's tap on it. And if you want, you can add more on the prompt too. However, I'm keeping it as it is. Once you're done with the image and the prompt, simply tap on generate Ghibli image, tap on it, and confirm that you are human. Okay, I think it have made it. Let's scroll down and you can see it over here. It's just a wow. So if you are happy with the artwork that is generated, I'm really happy with it. Simply tap on this download button over here, tap on it, then it will start downloading. Let's wait for a while and tap on open, and tada, you have got your image. And now you also know how you can start using Ghibli.ai. So now you know how to use it. Let your imagination run wild and make what you have imagined. It's like making your dream come true or imagination come true. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.